家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。又是一个好炎热的一天哦。
做的去山档，看你用送山档。
山上是不是？我喜欢躲在室内吹冷气就好了。不过也对啦，到山上也是凉凉的，凉爽嘛 ，right? During summertime, we want to, cool down the temperature, feel refreshed. 凉爽的 cool and refresh. How do you say that?
凉爽嘅。
凉爽嘅 Okay, that means cool and refreshing. 好，那我们教一句这样子好了。山上的温度比较低，风吹起来很凉爽。The temperatures are lower up in the mountains, and there's a breeze.
山档嘅温度較大，
山檔嘅温度較大，
風吹起來當涼爽。
風吹起來當涼爽。那我是比較喜歡在室內的話，那就教一句：開了冷氣之後，辦公室變得很涼爽。After you turn on the AC, the office is so cool and refreshing.
開冷氣了後，
開冷氣了後，辦公室
變到當涼爽。
That means the office becomes kind of cool after you turn on the 冷氣。
冷氣
That's air conditioning. Let's get cooler by reviewing some of these phrases, including the wind, 風 冷氣 that's an air conditioner, and then 辦公室 the office. 辦公室 and we all hope it becomes cool and refreshing. 涼爽的 And there you have it, ways to cool down during summertime. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
男子 say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.